This debate will come to order. The resolution before us today is the Internet does more than good. Representing the proposition are first speaker Julia Lim, the second speaker Justin Jung, and the third speaker Jay Park. Representing the opposition are first speaker Kristen Lee, the second speaker Justin Young, and the third speaker Danny Ben.
According to the website Complex, the most common internet crimes, there are spam messages, cyberbullying, and money scams. Even if someone is educated, the internet can be a bad influence for them.
According to WebV, 1.2 billion people are playing mobile games. Also, the internet is helping us to solve the world poverty crisis. The internet gives us access to free music. From listening to music, you can relax and you can calm your mind.
The proposition states that the internet can be very addictive. That may be true, but there are some ways to avoid getting addicted. According to GameKillers, if you find that you're spending too much time on the internet, there are some things you can do to help yourself.
Therefore, the internet is a dangerous place because we do not know who we are actually talking with. The opposition said that the internet enables us to enjoy our lives.
If someone was cyberbullied, they can get help from the government or just ignored because cyberbullying is just looking for their reaction. We won't use the internet because the internet is a very good thing.
There are lots of other ways to communicate without using internet. Before the internet, people were able to communicate. We can write letters to each other. We can use home phones and call each other and text message each other.
I thank the member for concluding the debate. Would the judges please complete your ballot? After doing so, you are invited to make constructive comments. But I would like to remind you that you're not to indicate which team has won the debate. Thank you.